Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete someone's nickname on Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Messenger app. Now click on the chat of the person of whom you had set a nickname. Click on the icon that looks like I on the top right corner. Then click on Nicknames option. Here, click on the nickname. Click on the Remove option. And that is how you can delete someone's nickname on Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.